welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I have expressive eyebrows and I love to say things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would seriously appreciate it. So seriously, in fact, I'm ready to put my money where my mouth is. That's right. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for my birthday, which is July 1st. So it's coming up soon. And it's going to be a palette giveaway, and it's going to be fantastic. So for more information about that, just stick around the channel, and you will hear the news of the amazing palette giveaway for my birthday. Woohoo! And we're on the way to 1,500 subscribers. Woo! Awesome! Yeah! Awesome! Cool! Woo woo! If you hear some crazy noises, that's a cat in my closet. I've got 4 of them. They're very delightful. And they love to be in the room while Mama films. That's right, I'm a cat mama. And I'm unboxing my IPSY Glam Bag Plus this month for June. Better late than never. It's not that late, but I prefer to get my... I'm ripping it open and I saw this thing and it was just like this blood. It kind of looked like dried blood with the shadow on it. And it's a cord. It's just a cord. I was like, what the fuck is in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus? It is heavy and chock full of stuff, and it's a cute ass bag. We love some cute ass bags. Look at that. This cord looked weird in the shadows. I'm just telling you. And I don't have the prices for these things. I lost the email that had the prices, so I'll probably try to look it up, you know, separately and put it in the box down below to see what's what. But I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. And the first thing I pulled out is a brush set from SL Miss Glam. And it looks like it's a rainbow brush, because it is Pride Month. I still haven't done a look for Pride, but I'm going to. It's not over yet. I'm the fat lady. I've not yet begun to sing. But, oh, these are beautiful. Look at those. Look at that. That's just glorious. I'm not sure how good these brushes are, but they sure are pretty. That feels pretty firm and soft. But anyway, so we get a 4 brush set, and I'm sure that's worth some money. So all this stuff is worth some money, but how much? I don't know. I'm not sure. But so we've got a brush set. Not bad. Feeling around in the bag for something small. And we have the Mercy Handy Hand Cream Dolce Vita. The Good Life, I think is what that means. El Dolce Vita is like a movie. It's a saying. Oh, it's sealed. I like hand cream. Let's see what's what with this hand cream. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, it just smells fresh and makes my mouth water a little. Smells like food. Oh, it smells kind of like citrusy. It just smells really amazing, which is not a good description of a scent. I'm aware. But it feels really good, and I can always use a hand cream, and this is the perfect size for the purse, because I do have a purse or 2. All right, so we've got brush set, we've got some hand cream. But that's kind of small for, you know, a Glam Bag Plus. That's a smallish. And then we've got from Ciate London, Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I literally have like 10 setting mists. But who says that I can't have another one? Let's see if I can open this without destroying the package. Woo! We're going to check it out. Everyday Vacay Fresh Coconut Extract, softening with nice niacinamides. It feels very luxurious. Oh, this like fresh coconut. I feel refreshed. I really do feel refreshed. It's very refreshing to put setting spray on your face. I'll put it with my collection. I'll keep it right here just for the recap. And then I have a teeny tiny thing of eyeliner from Gerard Cosmetics. And I like Gerard Cosmetics, and this is totally sealed for my protection. And I'm not going to open it yet because I have a lot of open black eyeliners, and this is a black eyeliner for sure. So that's very nice. And it's kind of shake up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Do, 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 do. Shake it up. Like the Cars. You remember the Cars? Oh, here's my pamphlet. It says, gift your friends a free palette. And get the group chat going. Each friend that signs up with the link below will receive a Violet Voss Windflower Fun Size palette worth $18. And it just says, bold beauty challenge. And to try some coral stuff, try some rose gold, try glitter, try neon. I do all that stuff already. And then we have this, which is a teeny tiny, I think this is an add-on that I did. Maybe. It's a tiny Lottie London Stay All Day. It's a beautiful color, and it's also sealed. But this looks like a $3 add-on to me. Because I like the Lottie London. Lottie London's got some good stuff. And then I've got two things left. First up is from Fluid, the Otherworldly palette. It's an 8-shade palette. Woo! It's got a beautiful glitter. It's kind of like very autumn kind of colors, except for the pop of green and the pop of purple glitter. I don't want to touch it too much. I don't want to touch it. It goes with my nails. My nails are pink glitter. Pink and purple glitter there. And it says, express your otherworldly self. Make up the rules. Okay. I'm not really thrilled about this palette. The colors are boring. But other people might love it because I have like over 150 palettes at least. And, you know, I just can't love every palette that comes along. And this is what I chose. I chose two things, and I chose the setting spray, I'm pretty sure. And then I chose this Viseart palette. Viseart is the shiznit. And this is gorgeous. It's one that I don't have. It's a Petite Pro Deux. D-E-U-X. And this is what it looks like on the back. And it's beautiful colors. And it looks like this. You pull up the top. Oh, you heard it. And then these are the colors, which are my favorite eyeshadow colors of almost all time. It's got a coral, it's got some pinks, it's got a purple, it's got a nice white shimmer. There's a nice nude kind of cream, like Rhonda flesh tone color in there. You know, not nude for everybody is a little different. But that's really great. And this palette is really awesome to get in IPSY. So I'm totally thrilled. This makes the bag, because it's a $25 bag, and this is probably a $35, $27, $35 palette. I don't know how much this palette is. But between this, the eyeliner, and the setting spray, and the brushes, it's a good bag. For $25, this is a great bag. And to get some really great name brands, like you can recognize, like Gerard, and the Ciate, and the Viseart. I have so many Viseart palettes. I'm just happy to add this to the collection, and I will be doing a look with this in the next week or so. So you can look forward to seeing me wear this Viseart palette because it is spectacular and purse size. So that's it. Good bag this month. Way to go, IPSY. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And I'll see you real soon. And don't forget the birthday giveaway coming up. Boop, 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 boop.